Okay, right. Okay, so I heard you have for another program that
Yes.
might be really, really interested.
Yes.
So what is it? Can you
Yes.
go
So
over?
yeah. So guys, I wanted to discuss today. The program is called DSCR, is Debt Service Coverage Ratio.
Mm-hmm.
So this program is good for someone that currently own a home and want to invest in a rental properties.
Okay.
So, and you are self-employed. So you must have a current home. You must be self-employed.
Mm-hmm.
And so this program, knowing that three categories of home financing is credit, income, and down payment. So credits have to be, we want credit to be good, like about 700 credit score. We can still do it with 680. So income, no income on this product.
Provided you own your house.
Yes, you have to own your home.
Okay.
You have to be a current homeowner.
And then you have to be a business owner.
Yes, self-employed.
Self-employed.
You have to be self-employed, not W2. You have to be self-employed.
Okay.
Yes, and then buying an investment property. The only thing we will care about is that your monthly payment and your rental amount, they equal. So for example, if your mortgage payment on that property you're buying is $3,000, the rental analysis from the appraisal must be about $3,000 or higher. That's all we need, and then put in 20% down. So this is good for group homes that want to continue to own more homes because they want to continue to grow. Mm-hmm. This is good for current homeowners that want to continue to accumulate wealth through real estate. You can definitely use this program because if you're thinking, oh, you know what, I don't think my taxes have enough income to buy these two homes. Uh-huh. You don't need to have enough income. You don't need to worry about your income. All we will analyze is the rent and the mortgage equal to each other. In case that appraisal come back and the rental analysis is less than the mortgage payment, at that time you will be subject to putting 25% down. Mm-hmm. But you will still be able to buy the home with no income verification.
So that means basically if you need this program, either you have to have 25% down,
20 or 25%.
20 or 25%.
20. So we do due diligence. Yeah, no less than that. We do due diligence to know to look at the property that you want to buy, put an offer on. Because you can do that. You can check the rental analysis in that area, mm-hmm. and then connect with me. Then I'll check the monthly payments. Okay. On that property. If we see that it matches, perfect. Go for it. This type of loan, we can get it done for you. Within 3 weeks.
Wow.
It's pretty.
Wow.
Pretty simple.
And I think I need to find out if I can. Can I qualify?
Yes. You're self-employed. You're a homeowner. Uh-huh. I'm hoping your credit is great. It's between 680 and 700.
Credit, I don't have. As for credit, I don't mess up with my credit.
I love that. Yeah, so absolutely, you can own that next investment property using this product.
Wow.
Absolutely.
Then, folks, hey, if you own a business and then. Is it just only in Minnesota? Is it Minnesota program or nation?
No, we actually do this product in Atlanta. We do it in Texas as well. So if you are dealing with a company that's that have that's not small company, they should be able to have this program.
Oh.
Yeah, it's national right now.
It's national.
It's national. So with my company, we can do it in all 50 states.
Oh, wow.
We can do this in all 50 states. Absolutely.
So this is commercial.
Nope.
It's not
this
FHA
is still
or...
It's called non-QM, non-qualifying mortgage. That's what it's called because it's not FHA, it's not conventional, it is debt service coverage ratio loan. So it's a different type of loan product that was released probably like couple years ago actually.
This is my first time. You said DSCR.
Wow. Yes,
loan?
DSCR loan. Wow. Debt service coverage ratio. That means, the debt on the home, the $3,000 payments, mm-hmm. the amount your servicing the home with covers it, it matches. That's all.
So
That's all there is to this.
my question is, okay, if I own, let's say, if I own a business,
Yes.
and I need another building for my business,
Yes.
can I use this program to buy and rent it to myself, or how does it work?
So if you want to buy it, I'll say buy it in your name and transfer it to the business. If you want to keep it in LLC, you can buy it and then transfer to your LLC. You can do that as well.
So no, what I want to find out is that say if I own a home health agency, or maybe I own a small business, and then I need another office building for myself, for my
like
company.
commercial, commercial, like commercial building.
Yeah.
So really, commercial loan have a different way of financing that. It's all about your 3 years of of finances, or how you really how your income has been with that business.
Okay.
So it's about that. It's different from this one is residential. People are gonna live in there. You can use this to buy a fourplex. You can use it to buy single family. You can use it to buy townhome.
Oh.
Yes.
Provided you own your own business.
You own you're
and
self-employed.
Then how long the person should be in business before they can qualify?
We always say 2 years.
2 years?
2 years.
And they have to file their tax returns, or they don't?
We don't need tax returns at all. We just need a letter from their CPA to say, yep, I've known this person. They've been in business for 2 years. That's it. And then business license, whatever you use for your business, we need that to document that you are, self-employed.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then how is the interest rate? Something like this. Is
it
different from the?
It is different. Usually, it's about half a point higher. So if on a given day the rate is 7%, this rate will be like 7.5%.
Oh, so normally it's
normally a little higher because it's more risk, because we didn't verify income. So but with that, we will make sure that your cash flow. And once your cash flow, who cares? Your cash flow, the value of the home is going up, is win-win game. Yeah.
And then the payment is fixed. Like
It's
30-year fixed.
It's 30-year
It's
fixed.
It's not something.
It is 30-year fixed. Yeah, the
30
payment is set. Yep. It doesn't go up or down.
Okay, this is breaking news. There is another program, DSCR loans.
Yes.
Look, folks, I mean, if you are out there and own a business, this is great news for you, right?
It is.
They don't need your income.
Yes.
The only thing is you have to have credit. That's why I tell you guys, hey, your credit is very important.
Absolutely.
If you have millions of dollars, then of course maybe you don't need credit. Even still, you need credit, because if you're a millionaire, maybe you plan to buy a jet.
Yeah.
And someone has to finance it for you. Yes. So you need credit.
Yes.
So credit is very important. If you have a good credit, just call.
Yes.
Call. You can buy another house within 3 weeks with this program. It's really, 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 really important. First, like the video, forward it to your friends, and then don't forget to call Fola Badewa. Let me give you her phone again, because I like giving her phone number is 612-423-5847. 612-423-5847. The greatest loan officer in the Twin Cities.
Thanks, James, as always. I appreciate you for the kind words.
Yeah, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you coming.
You're welcome.
And then let us have more programs like this.
Yes, absolutely.
Let us talk about different things, and because there are a lot of people out there, don't know what to do.
Yeah.
What to do. They own homes, they don't know, and if you can just talk to them like this, I think a lot of people will
Yes.
appreciate you.
Absolutely.
They will.
Absolutely.
They will.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks
And
for having me again.
Yeah,
Thank you for having me again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I will see you next time again.
Yes, see you
Okay.
next time soon.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.